Kĩriga kĩa ũngania wa imone cia maitho nĩ kambuni ya worldcoin gĩthiĩte na mbere na kũrikĩra ona makĩria thutha wa mũnene wa watho Justin Muturi kwĩra kamĩtĩ ya mwanya ya bunge ĩrĩa ĩrathuthuria mĩhang'o ya kambuni ĩno atĩ ndĩarĩ na rũtha rwa gũkorwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gwata gũtabania mĩhang'o ya mũthemba ũyũ.
The first issue is to confirm that worldcoin and worldcoin is not registered as a company for whatever purpose in Kenya.
If a foreign company carries on business in Kenya in contravention of subsection 1, the company and each officer of the company who is in default commits an offence, and on conviction are each liable to a fine not exceeding 5 million shillings. Chair.
Mũnene wa watho augĩte atĩ kambuni ĩno yehithanirie na ithenya rĩa watho ũrĩa wathagĩrĩria ũtungata wa wabici yake na wabici ya komishona ya maũndũ megiĩ a Kenya mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũngania imone ici na ĩkĩambĩrĩria wĩra wayo mweri-inĩ wa Mũgwanja mwaka mũhĩtũku ũrugarĩ-inĩ wa gĩthurano kĩnene. Mũnene wa watho augĩte atĩ maũndũ marĩa kambuni ĩno yonganagia matonyagĩrĩra mĩtũrĩre ya a Kenya na thiri ciao na gũtirĩ ũira wa kuonania atĩ arĩa matonyirio mũbango-inĩ ũyũ nĩ metĩkĩrĩte.
There can be some form of interaction, maybe even an online system where if maybe or a requirement from ODPC that before they give this certificate, then they should ask for a certificate of compliance from BRS.
There is no burden on the data commissioner to tell the applicant, please go to Registrar of Companies. No. The duty falls on the client, the company, WorldCoin, Tools for Humanity. You need to be registered to conduct business. So there are two separate regimes.
Yeah, so you are misinterpreting the provision. So essentially, the data commissioner cannot register unless among the documents given to her or him are documents confirming the company is registered as a foreign company under 974. That is what Regulation 5 says.
As a country, and this is what maybe this committee should be aiming to achieve, we all know, and the AG said it correctly, that technology will always be ahead of the laws. And it is important that we introspect, because I guess in 10 years, we will all be looking at an ORB to get to parliament, to maybe even go into a restaurant. These will be very, very common technologies.
Maũndũ marĩa kambuni ĩno yonganirie ma a Kenya, mũnene wa watho ongereire atĩ marahũthĩrwo nja wa bũrũri gũthondeka mbeca na no mahũthĩrwo gũtabania wĩkinaĩ.
On the registration rules, on operationalization, and enforcement, who would have stopped WorldCoin from going as far as they did if we were to stick to the letter and the spirit of the law?
So I want to admit from the one go that actually we do not have, the laws we have are not adequate. And as it is, usually innovators always are ahead of regulators.
The WorldCoin apparently was 7,500 shillings. Now it is 4,500. The question that we have is who has been buying the WorldCoin? There's somebody in Kenya who is actually buying the WorldCoin for 240 shillings per coin.
Mũthenya wa Jumatatũ kiumia gĩũkĩte, arũgamĩrĩri a kambuni ya worldcoin magakinya mbere ya kamĩtĩ ĩno gĩikaro-inĩ kĩrĩa kĩrĩgĩrĩirwo kumbũrania kĩriga kĩa ũngania wa imore ici kũrĩa ciatwarirwo na ũrĩa metĩkĩririo gũtabania mĩhang'o yao matekugĩrĩrio nĩ thirikari na honge ciayo. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma cikaro-inĩ cia mbunge ya bũrũri kaũntĩ-inĩ ya Nairobi. Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.